All right, one of the most important things about solving equations is understanding inverse operations. So this slide will demonstrate identifying what we're doing to a variable and then undoing it to both sides. All right, so what's happening here? All right, so what are we doing with the variable? We're adding 5. What's the opposite of adding 5? Or the inverse? Subtracting 5. So if we subtract 5 from both sides, we'll be left with n is equal to 14 minus 5, which is equal to 9 equals n. All right. The next problem, what is happening to our variable? We're subtracting 7. To undo negative 7 or subtract 7, we have to add 7. Okay, that'll get rid of the negative 7 on that side, and we'll add 7 to the other side. So m is equal to positive 12. Let me switch to black. It's not really showing up all that well. All right. All right, so the next one, we have 6 next to an h. We're multiplying. So I'm going to write times 6. Oh, that was ugly. To undo, we have to divide by 6. All right, so that would leave us with 1h, and 24 divided by 6 equals 4 equals h. All right, the next one, we're adding 13 to k, and to undo that, we have to subtract 13. All right, when we subtract 13 from 5, same sign, add and keep, different sign, subtract. Keep the sign of the larger number. All right, so we're going to subtract and keep the sign of the larger number, and we'll get negative 8. All right, for the next problem, what are we doing? We're subtracting 20. What's the opposite or inverse of subtracting 20? Is adding 20. That'll leave us with y is equal to 1 plus 20. That's 21 equals y. Sorry, I forgot my little equals k. What's happening here? Times negative 3. All right, the opposite of multiplying by negative 3 is dividing by negative 3. All right, when we divide by negative 3, we'll be left with 1e equals 24 divided by negative 3. And we'll be left with e is equal to negative 8.